Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to viewers on OneSportMedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, a viral video showing what appears to be a gun salute during a night for a police officer has triggered an investigation in St. Catherine.
Several members of the Constabulary Force are now under scrutiny over the incident, which took place in Ewarton on Tuesday. Janella Precious reports.
December 31, 2025.
We are imploring you, our citizens, not to carry out gun salute. It is not the best practice. Plus, it is illegal.
The police reminding citizens against gun salutes to ring in the new year.
The velocity of the projectile when it goes up comes down with the same speed.
Fast forward to June 9, 2026, 6 months after this video was shared on the JCF's Instagram account, and the very officers responsible for upholding the law are under scrutiny. This is a night underway in Ewarton, St. Catherine for fallen policeman Shanky Gordon. He died in a motorcycle crash on June 2. In the midst of the music and merriment, multiple rounds are being fired in the air. The crowd dancing and laughing in delight. A police constable who was identified in the footage has been reportedly placed on interdiction and his firearm seized pending the outcome of the investigation. Back to the December 31 post.
Under the new Prohibited Weapons Act, you can get up to 15 years in prison if you carry out gun salute. Also, it is dangerous. It also shows that you are irresponsible if you are a licensed firearm holder. Hence, you should not have that firearm.
It's now left to be seen whether action will be taken against those allegedly involved in Tuesday's incident. Janella Precious, TVJ News.